So to sign drive off, so imagine your pupil's there, the interior mirror is there, your hand's clutching the wheel, push them forward, so drive off, okay? Drive off. Do it from this angle, drive off. Make sure it's nice and visible to the pupil, so drive off. Okay, one more time, drive off. So pull up on the left in a safe place. I would have previously explained to my pupil that whenever I ask you to pull over, I want you to choose somewhere safe and convenient so I don't have to sign too much on the move. So let's imagine that is the curb and this is our car, okay? So pull up to the left. So pull up on your left will be like that, can you see? So we go from a different angle. Okay, curb, car, going forwards and then pulling over. All right, from this angle, pull up on the left. Okay, underneath the interior mirror is there. So pull up on the left. Okay, we'll do it again. Pull up on the left. When you want to sign pull up on the right in a safe place, I would have already told them beforehand that when I ask you to pull up on the right, it's always going to be a safe, convenient place. So I can just sign it as that is the curb and that's my car coming towards the pull up. So pull up on the right. Okay, so pull up on the right. Do it from this angle. Pull up on the right. Do it straight ahead. So pull up on the right. This side. Pull up on the right. Okay, so remember interior mirrors there, hand there, pull up on the right. So if I take the next road on your left, just remember the interior mirror is there, you're signing with your right hand underneath the interior mirror, and it's a simple turn left. Okay, turn left. Make sure it's nice and visible to the pupil, turn left, turn left. Take the second road on your left, so you say second, so it's your two fingers twist them around, second. So second left, that's second road on your left. Second left, okay? Second road on your left. One more time, second road on your left. Take the third road on your left, third, okay? Third. So that's some third left. So take the third road on your left, take the third road on your left, third left, third road on your left, third left. At the end of the road, turn left. So at the end of the road, so these are the white lines and that's your car, okay? So you're gonna go to the end of the road. Can you see what I'm doing there? End of the road. So end of the road. Okay, one more time. End of the road. So when you want to sign at the end of the road, turn left underneath the interior mirror, have it in front of the pupil. At the end of the road, we'll turn left. So that's at the end of the road, we'll turn left. At the end of the road, we'll turn left. One more time. At the end of the road, we'll turn left. At the traffic lights, turn left. So traffic lights, red, amber, green. So red, amber, green. Have it this way around so it faces the pupil. Red, amber, green. Traffic lights. Traffic lights. So at the traffic lights, turn left. Traffic lights, turn left. That's traffic lights, turn left. Traffic lights, turn left. And one more time, traffic lights, turn left. When we wish to sign, take the next road on your right. So interior mirror is there between you and the pupil, and it's a simple turn right. To take the next road on your right is turn right. Turn right. Make sure you do it with your right hand. It's nice and visible to the pupil. Turn right. Take the second road on your right. So that's second. Okay, so you see I'm twisting it around. Second. Second. So that's second right. So take the second road on your right will be second right. That's second right. Second right. One more time. Second right. Take the third road on your right. Third. Okay? Third. Third. So that's third right. Take the third road on your right is third right. Take the third road on your right. Third right. At the end of the road, turn right. So that's the white lines there. That's your car going to the end of the road, to the end of the white line. You see what I'm doing? End of the road. So at the end of the road. Okay? Different angle at the end of the road. So interior mirror there. Underneath the interior mirror, you'll sign at the end of the road, turn right. So at the end of the road, turn right. A couple more times. At the end of the road, turn right. And finally, at the end of the road, turn right. At the traffic lights, turn right. So traffic lights, red, amber, green. Red, amber, green. Face it towards the pupil underneath the interior mirror. Red, amber, green. Traffic lights. That's traffic lights, turn right. Traffic lights, turn right. At the traffic lights, turn right. Traffic lights, turn right. And one last time. Traffic lights, turn right. So we're going to sign roundabout left first exit. So we first sign roundabout, which is like that, roundabout, can you see? So have your hand like that, a roundabout. Roundabout, like you're painting the floor with your finger. Roundabout, okay? Make sure your pupil can see it, so the interior mirror is there, so make sure it's visible. If that's not visible to the pupil, then you can do it like that, roundabout. So you can do it like that, roundabout, like you're painting the wall with your finger, or if you want to do it that way, you're painting the floor with your finger. So roundabout, left. First, make sure you twist your hand around. First, exit. Okay, so exit is like that. Exit. Exit. Okay, we do it in different angles. Exit, and this angle. Exit. Okay, so roundabout, left. First, exit. Okay, roundabout, left. First, exit. Roundabout, left. First, exit. If we want to say roundabout straight, second exit, it could be roundabout, straight. So you point to straight. Second, so now we've got two, twist around, second, exit. Just use a one finger for the exit. So, roundabout, straight, second, exit. That's roundabout, straight, second, exit. And if we want to sign roundabout right, third exit, it's roundabout, right. Third, see how I'm twisting my hand round? Third, exit. Okay, so roundabout, right, third, exit. That's roundabout, right, third, exit. And one last time. Roundabout, right, third, exit. When you wish to sign to your pupil, position more to the left. Remember, our interior mirror is here, and this is our car. So we let them know a little bit, okay, so they know we're not asking them to change lanes or anything like that. So a little bit, position more to the left. See, I'm bringing the car slightly to the left and then going forwards, okay? So a little bit, position more to the left, right now, okay? So a little bit, position more to the left, going forwards. A little bit, position more to the left, going forwards. When you want to sign to them, position more to the right, very similar. Again, underneath the interior mirror, a little bit, position more to the right, okay? So a little bit, position more, see I'm bringing it slightly to the right, going forwards. So a little bit, position more to the right, going forwards. So a little bit, position more to the right, going forwards. So when you wish to sign, change lane to the left. So remember, our interior mirror is here, and this is our car. Now, first of all, we want to sign the word change. To do that, 2 fists like that, with our wrists touching and twisting, okay? So this is a sign for change. Change. Change, okay? So, underneath the interior mirror, we sign change, car, moving over to the left, lane to the left, okay? So, change, lane to the left. Change, lane to the left. Do it another 2 more times. Change, lane to the left. And one more time. Change, lane to the left. When you want to sign change, lane to the right, very similar. Again, change. It's time we move our car to the right. Lane to the right. So change, lane to the right. A couple more times. Change, lane to the right. And lastly, change, lane to the right. When you'd like your pupil to let you know that they haven't understood something and they'd like you to repeat it, make sure they keep their hands on the steering wheel like so, and use the index finger on their left hand and wave it left and right like that. That way they're letting you know, I haven't understood something, please repeat it, okay? When you see that, put your thumb up like that underneath the interior mirror to let them know that I've seen it so they can carry on back to normal. And then you can repeat the sign again. So turn right, turn left, roundabout, straight, or whatever it is. Or you can ask them to pull up somewhere safe on the left, like so. And then when you do pull up somewhere safe, you can explain to them what it is that they didn't understand. To sign good, nice and easy, thumbs up. Okay, so that was good. 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 To sign wrong, fist with the pinky up. Wrong. Wrong. Okay, so do it from this angle. Wrong. 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 And you can also sign it as bad as well. Bad. It's the same sign.